Now let us learn remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. The definition is, let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a be any real number if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial. Always remember that only it should be a linear polynomial. Then this x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. How to find it is this, we equate this x minus a is equal to 0 and we find the 0 for this, that is x is equal to a. This a will be substituted in place of p of x, so it becomes p of a. This is how we got p of a. Now let us do the exercise problem. Exercise 2.3. Problem number 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by subdivision. I am going to do subdivision 2, that's given as, divisor is given as x minus 1 by 2. So we are going to use, we have to find only the remainder. So I am going to use remainder theorem here. So what will be the 0 of the dividend here? The 0 of x minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. As I said earlier, how will you find the 0? Equate this x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 1 by 2. This is how we get the 0. Yes. Now let us take the given polynomial as p of x. Let us take the given polynomial as p of x, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the given polynomial. And we got the divisor also. That divisor will be substituted here. So it becomes p of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Then we have to simplify this. How to simplify this? So first we have to find the exponents. So the exponent of the first term, that is 1 by 2 whole cube, becomes 1 by 8 plus 3 into this becomes 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2. We don't have any exponents there. We can write it as it is, plus 1. Now what will be the next step? We have to multiply the coefficients. Multiplication, division has to be done in this step. So how to do it? So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus 1. Then next step. What will be the next step? Now we have to take LCM for this. How to take LCM? So LCM is 8. So the LCM here is 8 for all the terms. So what has to be done here? So 8 need not be any number need not be multiplied in the first term. So 1 will be there as it is. 1 plus 2 has to be multiplied in the second term. So it becomes 6, and 4 has to be multiplied with the third term, because when I multiply 4 in the third term only, the denominator becomes 8. So the same 4 should be multiplied in the numerator. It becomes plus 12 plus 8. So finally it becomes, what is the last step? So when we add everything, it becomes 27 divided by 8. So our remainder is 27 by 8. Therefore remainder is 27 by 8. Now let us do subdivision 3. Here we have to divide it by x. How to divide it and how to find the zeros is, this x can be rewritten as x minus 0. This x can be rewritten as x minus 0, now which is of the form x minus a. If we write it in this form, we are able to find the zeros easily. So the 0 of x is 0. When we equate that x minus 0 is equal to 0, we get it as x is equal to 0. And the given polynomial p of x is, so what is the given polynomial for this problem? Its p of x is x cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we are going to substitute this 0. That is, we get it as p of 0 is equal to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So on simplifying this, the value of 0 cube is 0 plus 3 into 0 square. 0 square is 0. On multiplying that 0 with that 3, again it becomes 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore remainder is 1. Now let us move to subdivision number 4. Here the divisor is x plus pi. Here the divisor is x plus pi. Now how to find the 0 for this? The 0 of x plus pi is minus pi, and the given polynomial is it's the same polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. The value of 0 here is minus pi. So this minus pi will be substituted here. So it becomes p of minus pi is equal to minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Now on further simplification we get it as, so what is the value of minus pi whole cube? When you multiply this negative thrice it becomes negative, and value of pi cube is pi cube, plus squaring this minus pi it becomes plus pi square, and multiplying this it becomes 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. This cannot be simplified further, so you can leave as it is. Now let us move to subdivision 5. Subdivision 5 is given here as 5 plus 2x. So what will be the 0 of 5 plus 2x? It is minus 5 divided by 2. Now this will be substituted in p of x. So here p of x is x cube minus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now substituting it in this we get it as p of minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. On further simplification we get it as, cubing this we get it as minus 125 by 8 plus 3 into squaring that it becomes 25 by 4 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Next step. What will be the next step? We have to multiply it inside. So it becomes minus 125 by 8 plus 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Now we have to take LCM. So how to take, what will be the LCM for all these things? LCM here is 8. So the LCM is 8. And what has to be done in the numerator? Here already 8 is there. So we need not do anything else. And here only 4 is there. So 2 has to be multiplied here in order to get it as, so 2 has to be multiplied here to bring this as 8. So here also 2 will be multiplied, and in order to bring this 2 as 8, so we multiply this by 4. So this also 15 also will be multiplied by 4. Here it's 1 by 1, so this would be multiplied by 8. So this also will be multiplied by 8. So it becomes minus 125 plus 75 into 2 is 150. Then 15 into 4 is 60. So it becomes minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8 whole divided by 8, which will be equal to, on further simplification, it becomes minus 27 by 8. So this is our remainder for this problem.